My name is Brian. I'll be your furniture repair technician. Today, I'll show you how to do a mattress inspection. To begin, I'll remove any bedding or mattress protectors from the mattress. I will then photograph the mattress as it sits on the bed. I will also need to take a picture of the law tag on the mattress. The next step is to drape a weighted string across the mattress. The weight falls off the opposite end, pulling the line tight. I'll place a measuring tape behind the string on the mattress in the compressed area without applying any pressure to the mattress itself. From here, I can measure the level of compression on the mattress and take a picture of the result. Next, I'll remove the mattress to expose the box spring, showing no damage to the foundation. A picture of the box spring is required. I will also need to take a picture of the law tag on the box spring. I'll need to remove the box spring, showing the bed frame has the proper support system required by the manufacturer. Finally, I'll take a picture of the bed frame showing the center support leg. I'll reassemble the bed, thus completing the mattress inspection. Thank you for watching and enjoy your furniture.